Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Snapchat and log in securely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For Android devices, access the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Snapchat. Press the search icon. Locate the official Snapchat app from the results. Tap on the app to view its details. Select the Install button on Android or get on iOS. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, find the Snapchat icon on your home screen. Tap the Snapchat icon to open the app. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Enter your username or email and password. If you're a new user, tap on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create your account. Once you have logged in, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Open the settings by tapping on your profile icon. Select two-factor authentication from the menu. Follow the instructions to set up this feature. Make sure to keep your login information safe. You are now ready to use Snapchat securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.